Do you know what this is? It's an apple. 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 It's pretty hard to get a whole apple in your mouth, so what I've done is I've cut it. And this way, you're going to be looking at just part of the apple. You have part of it, and then of course the little bit of a stem that shows where the apple was cut. That letter, A, you can hear it in words like apple, apple, ant, that little black bug that runs around, ant, alligator, maybe you eat an apricot, avocado, or maybe down by your foot there is an ankle, a. That's a funny word, a funny letter, and it sounds like a, but it looks like an apple. If you look here, we can see this is the letter apple also. You see, it's the part of the apple plus the place where I cut it. Apple stacks. If you look here, we see apple. See, the round part, and then the stem. And these letters are also a. A. Doesn't matter what color or anything. Now if we look at all the letters we've learned, here they are. H is for house, M is for mittens, P pretty flower, S snake is bitten, W is for waves, T for train tracks, R around the corner, A, apple stacks. Now I want to show you something very, very special. It's a trick. Watch this very closely. I can take a letter, and then I can take another letter and put them beside each other like that. Here we have apple stacks, and here we have train tracks. Apple stacks, train tracks. If I just say the sound they make, a, t, and I say it faster, at is a word. He is at his house. He is at the store. He is at school. At the park. At. That's the way that word looks. Or I could put that one back, and I could take this one. And I could put those two together. And I could say a, apple stacks, m, mittens. A, m, am. I am watching this movie. I am looking forward to eating. I am happy. Am. That's a word. You just read that word, and that's what it looks like. We can do that again with something else. And this is a special kind of trick. Watch this. We can do this letter, and this letter, and this letter. Watch this. Mittens, apple stacks, train tracks. M, a, t, mat. Mat. It's a little rug. It's a little piece of rug, maybe in your bathroom, a bath mat. That's what that word looks like. Let's do one more. We could take this letter, house, apple stacks, train tracks, h, at, hat. And that is a word. Hat is the thing you put on your head. Hat. Do you know what you've just done? You have been reading words. Yes, that's what they look like.